friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADATA XPG XENIA 15G gaming laptop. So friend, XPG has announced the most powerful laptop to date, the XENIA 15G gaming laptop, and this impressive laptop was designed for gamers and tech enthusiasts seeking the perfect balance between performance and value. And it will be comes with a 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H processor, up to a GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, coupled with a combination of hand-picked ADATA DDR5 memory and a PCIe Generation 4 LEGEND SSD to deliver extreme gaming experience. And friend, it takes advantage of the latest generation improvements in components on the market, and it features 13th generation Intel Core i7-13700H processor with 14 cores. And on the graphics front, it supports an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU based on NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, a leap in computing performance with AI-powered DLSS 3, so you can enjoy higher frame rates even in lifelike virtual worlds with demanding real-time ray tracing requirements. And friend, it offers high quality ADATA memory and SSD solution, and with up to 32 GB of ADATA's finest DDR5 memory, maxing out the processor's 5200 MT per second speed, and up to 1 TB of storage space with the reliable ADATA LEGEND 850 SSD. You will experience lightning fast speed and seamless operation without breaking the bank, and both upgrades represent a step in gaming performance, enabling faster real-time texture loading improvements like direct storage from both XPG's clean in-house development Windows 11 software image. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.